Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes slipped as a stronger than expected reading on the US services sector fed into expectations that the Federal Reserve will keep raising interest rates to tame inflation. Bullion Wallet, the wallet service of one of the world's biggest Bitcoin mining pools, is suspending all withdrawals as it tries to preserve assets and stabilize liquidity, the firm said. Italy plans to turn down the heating in homes and businesses over the winter to help cut the amount of gas it uses and reduce the risks linked to a total halt of Russian gas flows. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 3.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the gold fall 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw Volkswagen shares gain 1.9%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. Italy's retail sales will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's industrial production at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's gross domestic product at 0130 GMT. Japan's gross domestic product will be released at 2350 GMT. Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.